crazy. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I felt the same way when I started couponing. I felt so overwhelmed. There's so many rules. Guys, thank you for selecting this video, and so far, if you like this video, you like this idea, you like this series, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. Well, all I'm going to talk about more is the deals for cosmetics, more cosmetics, and if I see there's something that has to do with facial that is a really good buy, then I'm going to include it on the video, but I don't want to make it too long or overwhelm you. But if you want to see all the best deals for CVS, sometimes I include other drugstores as well. You could check me out in another channel that I have that I dedicated just for deals, which I do videos. I do it ahead of time every week, and that's excited for coupons. I'm going to provide that channel in the description box only if you're interested. But in this one, I'm just going to focus more on skincare sometimes, but mostly on cosmetics. I'm going to show you that you could actually get these items, and some of them you could actually get them for more than 50%, sometimes 80% off, or sometimes even free. So that is possible. If you visit my channel, you will see that I have a lot of hauls, and most of them have been free or just $4 or $5 for a lot of stuff. So this is what this video is about. What I'm going to do is a voiceover, take you step by step. How do you do it so you don't feel so overwhelmed, so you feel calm and relaxed, and you can walk through those doors feeling confident that you know what you're doing, even though it's your first time. You may. Well, the first thing you should do when you arrive to CVS is look for their red box machine. If you don't have a card, a CVS member card, all you have to do is ask on the register and they'll give you one. But if you do have one, I suggest you scan it, because every person gets a different coupon, and those coupons help you save even more money. And some of the deals that I'm going to be showing you, it does refer to some of the coupons that are there. Another thing I'm going to show you quickly, how to understand the deals. First, it tells you exactly what you need to buy and what the total will be. Then it follows with the coupons that you do need and how much you will pay in the register. And at the end, it's going to show you that at the end of the receipt, you're going to be getting your ECB if there's a deal for that. So it will show finally your total once the coupons and the ECB has been applied, showing you your final price. So now that you understand a little bit how the deal sheet works, so this is an idea. Physicians Formula, it does, in the ad, is going to say that if you buy $10 worth, you will get a $7 ECB. So here's an idea. You could purchase this item or any item that reaches 10 or a little bit more than 10. You'll get back 7 ECB, making it just $2.99. For this deal, is based which store has this available. It's a Macbeth collection, and it's a Glammergency kit. It costs $9.99. It has a lot of good items there that you will need as an emergency. There's no coupons needed, but you will receive a ECB of $6, making it just $3.99. Also see that there is a limit of one, and keep track of that. So that means that you could only do this deal one time, because the ECB, you're only going to get it once. Scan your card, because some people are getting a coupon once they scan it for $3 off 6 for any more cosmetics, and so this will be a good deal. You could buy one item or just buy a few items that reaches $12. Use that coupon if it printed for you. So it will deduct $3, so you'll pay $9 in the register. You get back 6 ECB, making it just $3 for a nice brush. Another idea is for Neutrogena, and on this one I'm going to show you 2 different ideas in case. Actually, it's 3 different ideas. The good thing is that there's printable coupons, meaning that you could open my description box, and in there's going to be coupons that you could just print. You just have to install the printer. It's just a one-time thing, so you will be able to print in the future. There is a limit of 2 per coupon that you're able to print per computer. So this will be a really good deal. You could buy the concealer and this type of foundation. They're both skin clearing. Those are the prices that I saw in my store. So in the register, it will be $20.78. But if you use 2 coupons that are printable of $4 each, and if your CVS card had a 5 off 15, you will pay $7.78. Remember, you will get a 6 ECB at the end of your receipt, making it just $1.78 or 89 cents each. What you could do is just do one transaction. Once you receive that ECB, you could use it for the next transaction. That way you're paying less out of pocket. Here's another idea, buying 2 little mascara. The coupon for the mascara is $2.50 each, and if you do have that CVS coupon, you also will pay $7.78. You get back 6 ECB, making it 89 cents each. But here's another idea in case you want to try the Neutrogena Hydraboost, or you just want to stock up on that good foundation. And if you do have that CVS coupon, what you could do is buy one of the foundation in one of the stores as well as for this price, $16.99. You could buy one of the wipes or anything else that you do want to buy from Neutrogena. The thing is that you do need to buy 2 items in order for you to receive the $6 ECB. The ECB is what prints at the end of the receipt. So if you purchase these 2 items, it will be $22.98. There's a printable coupons for any face cosmetics, so this will apply to the Neutrogena. And if you have that coupon from CVS deducting 5 off 15 for Neutrogena, you could use it, or any coupon that has to do with cosmetics or Neutrogena. So you pay $13.98. You get back 6, making it $3.99 each, which is a really good deal. But even if you don't have that coupon from CVS, it will still be a good deal. So I just showed you a few ideas, but you could just purchase whichever you like. I did mention about that face coupon. The face coupon is mostly like concealer, blush, anything that has to do with the face. That doesn't include anything for the eyes or the lips. So that's just a separate that is a separate coupon. But there is other coupons that you could print, that you could print all 3 and keep them since they don't expire right away. In case you do see a deal in another store, you could use those coupons. This deal I love because all you need to do is just purchase $10 and you get 7 ECB. That means that it's going to be you're only going to pay $3 for anything that you get from Milani, which is a really good deal. Here's an idea. You could get the foundation and you could just get the setting spray. They also have an eye makeup palette that is around this price, $10.49. You could just mix and match, and if you have a coupon that says any cosmetics from CVS, you could use it as well. So if you purchase one of these items, your final price will be $3.49. Covergirl, this scenario I'm showing you is because the coupon that I've seen is only for the eyes, and the printable as well is for the eyes. So if you don't have the coupon that came in the Sunday paper, what you could do is print that coupon, which I'm also going to provide in the description box. So here's an idea. You could buy the eyeliner, you could buy the brow, anything that has to do with the eyes. You reach 10.50A. Just you have to make sure that you do reach 8. Use those 2 coupons, pay $6.58. You get back 3 ECB, making it just $1.79 for each. But this is just an idea, so you know how you could reach the 8 and which one you could get the best deal on. The next deal is a great offer, but this one you will not get any ECB. So if you want to start with this one, it will be pretty easy for you. Just make sure that you do scan your card, because for everybody who started scanning their card since Sunday, we're getting this free coupon. So everybody was getting it, but you need to make sure you do scan your card before Saturday. And it was for all May. It will deduct $4. So what you could do is buy 2 palettes. This is a case that is called Build Your Squad that is empty. It costs $1.99. And it costs $3.99, but it's going to be buy one get one 50% off. So together that will be the total. You could use that coupon from CVS that will deduct $4, which will make this a total just 99 cents. And this is Build Your Squad. It's empty. It's a cute palette that you could put all the eyeshadows from all May. Another idea will be, but this is only if you have the coupon that we got a few inserts ago, and also that mystery coupon that everybody's getting when they scan their card. You could buy 2 of the lipstick and there will be buy one get one 50% off. Use 2 coupons from Smart Source 1014 that expires this Sunday. Use that coupon from CVS. You'll pay $2.49, or it will be just $1.25 each. Another good idea will be for CoverGirl. You can mix and match. In this case, this is an idea. Get the mascara and the brow pencil. You pay $15.08. Use 2 coupons that also was in the Smart Source 1021. You pay $9.08. You get back 8 ECB, just making it 54 cents for each of those items. For Maybelline, I'm going to show you a few ideas. This one you could buy the single shadow, that's $3.99, and the Super Stay lipstick. But this is if you have these coupons that came out in Retail Me Not on October 21st. If you do, you pay $9.48 using those coupons. You get back 5 ECB, making it $2.24 each. This is just a very easy idea you could do to get any item you really like from Maybelline, as long as you reach $15. The reason is if you have this coupon that printed for you that it deducts $4 off 15 in cosmetics, then you could do this deal idea. Buy 1 palette, buy the single eyeshadow. Use a coupon from Retail Me Not and use that coupon from CVS. Pay $12.98. You get back 5 ECB, making it just $3.99. Now we're moving up to the Revlon deal. What you could do is buy one lipstick that you see there for $8.99, and you could buy the Kiss Balm that is for usually for $4.99. If you have this coupon from Smart Source October 14, you could use two that will deduct $2. I will check if there's any printable. I will provide that in the description box if there is. You pay $9.98, you'll get back 4 ECB, making it just $2.99 each. The last deal I want to share with you, there is no ECBs for this one, but this is a new cosmetic, and in case you wanted to try it out, I think it's a good time to try it out because it's buy one get one 50% off, and this is just an idea. You could buy two lipsticks. I've seen them for $5.99. There's different options. The other one will be for $3, so in the register will be $8.99. There is no coupons needed. That's how much you will pay. There's no ECB, so the total will be just $4.49 each. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye. Happy savings.